Hey guys, to download Python IDLE, search Python for Windows in Google. Then click on the link shown in video. Hover your mouse to downloads, then select the appropriate platform of OS. If you have Mac system, then select Mac OS X. And click on the latest release to download Python. Or else if you have Windows, then select Python 3.8.3. Then downloading process will start automatically. Wait till download gets finished. Open the downloaded file. And add a tick mark on Add Python 3.8 to path, then click on Install Now. Wait till installation get finish. After finishing the installation process, go to search bar, and search for IDLE, and open this IDLE.